Hi friends, I've brought a new video for you. This video is going to be on Tramal. Tramal has 100 milligrams of Tramadol hydrochloride in every ampule. The box has 5 ampules in it. It's made by Searle Pharmaceuticals. The price for the box is 377 rupees. Tramadol is used to relieve moderate to moderately severe pain. Tramadol extended release tablets and capsules are only used by people who are expected to need medication to relieve pain around the clock. Tramadol is in a class of medications called opiate narcotic analgesics. It works by changing the way the brain and nervous system respond to pain. Tramadol comes as a tablet, a solution, and an extended release tablet. The regular tablet and solution are taken usually with or without food every 4 to 6 hours as needed. The injections can be taken once a day. Take Tramadol exactly as directed. Do not take more medication as a single dose or take more doses per day than prescribed by your doctor. Taking more Tramadol than prescribed by your doctor or in a way that is not recommended may cause serious side effects or death. Do not stop taking Tramadol without talking to your doctor. Your doctor will probably decrease your dose gradually. If you suddenly stop taking Tramadol, you may experience withdrawal symptoms such as nervousness, panic, sweating, difficulty falling asleep or staying asleep, runny nose, sneezing or cough, pain, hair standing on end, chills, nausea, uncontrolled shaking of the part of the body, diarrhea or rarely hallucinations. If your doctor has told you to take Tramadol regularly, take the missed dose and as soon as you remember it. However, if it is almost time for the next dose, skip the missed dose and continue your regular dosing schedule. Do not take a double dose to make up for a missed one. Tramadol may cause side effects such as sleepiness, difficulty falling asleep or staying asleep, headache, nervousness, uncontrolled shaking of a part of the body, muscle tightness, changes in mood, heartburn or indigestion, dry mouth, etc. Some side effects can be serious such as seizures, hives, rashes, blisters, etc. If you experience any serious side effect, you should call your doctor immediately. I hope you like the video. Please like and share our channel, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.